garden bed. So we're gonna make two. So we're gonna have two garden beds, and we're gonna make another one so you guys can see how we started it. Okay.
They're actually made out of metal, which are powder coated.
It's built by metal, by the way.
And it's powder coated will last 20 years.
And it lasts 20 years. Is what I call? This is the brand that we use, guys. It's a powdered coated garden bed, so it will last for 20 years. So this is what the brand that we bought, guys, right here. So you can see that's the brand. So we build these guys so we can have our own garden, and we're gonna have a fresh vegetables. You know how it's really expensive right now to buy food and vegetables and everything, so we're gonna plant our own, so it will be fresh and healthy and organic. There's a lot of holes in here, guys, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're just gonna put these screws.
Then you'll use this one, honey, when you go down from the second half. This nut and wire. Oh, I got it.
Okay, so I'm gonna explain it.
I'll get the other ones.
You have this one and partner on this one, and there's a, you will not get cut on the bolt. So in the first layer right here, this is the first two. So first one you use this to one, then the third and the fourth, the last one will be this round one, like that. Okay, so let's do it, guys.
I got 2 of them.
Daddy,
Okay, that's the last.
let's work, guys.
It's gonna take 4 yards of dirt. I like to have it hauled in.
4 yards.
4 yards of compost we're gonna put in.
Even after I fill it with some wood and stuff like that, take up filler.
This is a lot. Ooh. So let's try this one if rabbit will not eat it. A bit. My son's laughing on me on about rabbit. I did really get on to the rabbit. And rabbit laughing at me. And my son. And my husband. Okay, Han, what are you doing?
Gonna build some garden beds.
What kind of type of garden?
These are metal
Beds.
beds that are powder coated. You get a bag of bolts.
Okay. You see that's bolts.
Yeah, bolts.
Okay. They have some different compartment for the parts that you're using in there.
Yep. These are all the corners.
Show it to them. What does that look like?
These are all the corners.
Yeah, okay. Looks like a roof. What's on the other side? Let's show it.
Huh?
The other side.
It's just different. It's just the inside.
So the inside is white and the outside is gray. It's a powdered coated metal.
It's special coatings.
Start doing it. Okay guys, this is what it looks like right here on the outside, and the inside is like this. This is a special coating in here, so it will not be warm when it's outside, so it will not produce heat. So they have 3 coating that they put in it, correct? So what's in the coating that they put in?
It's on the side box you read it.
Right
It
here?
has zinc alloy coating, food safe, algae, safe food safe. It has steel structure. But the coating is a zinc alloy.
This is what they put it, guys. This is the chemical product that they put in there. It's 18 zinc alloy coating. This one out, or the green one. And then the food safe agriculture paint, the white color, and the steel substrate. So this one right here. So it's really like safe, because this one are safe hazard for garden. And then this one, guys, there is a plastic that they put here outside in this one here for the protection for delivery, really. So when they deliver it, they have this one right here, so to protect for scratching this side right here. So before we build this one, we're gonna tear this one out. Tear off the plastic. See, guys, so every single one of this metal, we're just gonna take it out, all the plastic to start. Okay? Just like that. So how many really pieces in there? So we're just gonna count it how many. We're just gonna count how many.
There's many different configurations.
How many cups that we put all together. So simple and easy. This is what kind of like product that we use for roofing in Philippines, but this one is more thick. And I think this will be very nice to use for roofing in the Philippines. It will be long lasting and beautiful for every single one of the houses. And it will probably stay for how many years, as long as the typhoon will destroy it. Just like that, right? Basically, we just put all this one together. We put all together, and it does really look good. We already built one now. So we make 2 garden beds for our vegetables. Usually, maybe I'm just gonna plant some like green beans. I love okra, and I love also. Did we buy bitter melon? Did we buy?
I can. No, it's gonna get about 80. She has it.
It's kind of expensive though. Maybe you can find some in Lowe's.
How many Americans eat bitter melon?
They have some in or Amazon. I think they said they have one on Amazon. I saw.
How long does it take that to grow? How long does it take it to grow?
Doesn't that take long? Just
I mean,
like
I was gonna say sometimes that you buy stuff plant, so it takes long.
it's kind of like long beans. Very much like long beans.
We're making 2 beds. One for Filipino food, one for American food.
One for Filipino food and one for American food. So it will be fair, guys. That'll be nice. It will be mission impossible. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how we're gonna do it from the start. This is what we is doing it. And then when we plant and how it will grow. Okay, that's how the bolts look like right there. And my son's trying to connect all the parts. There are 12 pieces of this one and the other one, the curb and the flat one. And the curb is at, there's like 4 of them for this curb one, for the corners, and then there are 8 for the straight one. So there are 12 all in all for everything. So that's guys. So basically for all that together, the bolts, the hook up. So this one is kind of like the, see that type of bolts right here. So they have 2 types of bolts. This one that you put all together. So this one basically, that one there, this one, and the partner on the top one right here. So it will not get hurt when you holding there in your garden. So they have some kind of like protection. So basically there is like this one and this one, you're using this kind of bolts, and then the bottom part you use this one kind of look like this. So let's see guys, that's right, that's good, really like there. So we just gonna put bolts in every single one of them. There's 6 holes. So that's what my son doing right there. He's helping us to make this build up. So like there. Okay. And I put this one. Standard protection there. Guys, we just want to make it sure that we tear up this kind of plastic, both this side and this one in this side, because we miss it too guys. We only take out from that one side, but both sides they have this plastic. So we just want to make it sure that when you guys build these beds or in the garden, you're gonna tear up both sides, okay? So you will not miss it. Not like ours, we already built one, but we're gonna redo it. Because yeah, so when we do it guys, we miss those other one, the one side. So you guys just make it sure that both sides, from this side and this one side, we need to tear up the plastic right here, so it will not go to your vegetables, the plastic one. You guys, this is what it looks like now when we're almost done. Or what we just do is we're just gonna put this bolt so to lock it up. So that's all we just need, pretty much almost there. It's kind of like this in between in it, so you can just push it down all the way through the there. So you will not get scratched there.
This one should work quick. We got 2 wrists.
But if you're filming everything, it's kind of hard.
I'm getting the first 2 to go anything down below, Josh.
Nice. It's really long. It looks like wire, but it's your rubber that you put it in, so you will not get cut while you're doing your garden. looks like snake skin. It does.
Have you even touched this thing?
Yeah. No. Alright.
Oh,
It's really round it, guys. Going all the way here.
This is not my face. I don't know where you're getting steak from. Seeing that.
Okay guys, this is the finished product that we done for our garden. So here we go. We're gonna pick it up and we're gonna put it there.
Mommy's doing a good job getting the door open for us, isn't she?
Here we go guys, we're gonna get it out. Go, go!